So I'm out here walking down Hong Kong Street. I met this guy on the plane. We didn't really talk, but I borrowed a pen from him. And guess what? We're in the same hostel. So it's Steven from the Netherlands. Hello. Alright, so we're just exploring Korea, Seoul, see what we find.
Did I have two?
How is it? What is it?
It's an egg.
It's an egg? Okay. Is it good? Okay. Let me try. Oh, it's sweet. Kind of like a cake. It's good. Alright, Steven, the professional, just got here and knows what he's doing. I hope so. Meat the last rib. A little bloody, but go for it. The meat's so good, so succulent, juicy. Very good choice. Enjoying Korean barbecue. So my bank, USAA, I can't take out money at the ATMs here for some reason, even though they told me I could. And I've been walking all around the city looking for a daggone bank, trying to take money out.
No, oh, it's a circle.
Oh, I can tell you were so calm about
Getting
that.
all of them. 3,
Yeah.
2, 1, go.
Oh,
I wasn't looking over there.